to having fun is no longer a secret. With Playmobil's My Secret Box line of toys, you can have your own secret play boxes, complete with figures, characters, and accessories that fit the specific My Secret Box you choose. How much are the Playmobil Secret Boxes? Each My Secret Play Box sells for $27.99. Now, let's have a look at some of the main positive and negative aspects. There is definitely something for everybody. Adventurous kids will enjoy the Dragon's Lair version, while little boys will definitely have a blast playing with the police station or the horse stable play box. Little girls, on the other hand, will fall in love with the Princess Castle Secret Play Box. The box is well made and very functional, and the accessories inside each box are spot on. Here's our conclusion. Give your kids their own My Secret Play Box and open up a whole new world of fun and play. Thanks for checking out our review. To know more about this product, click on the link below this video now.